Hey there, today we're going to look at how to reset an Indesit washing machine. So let's get started. First, press the power or start-stop button to turn off your washing machine. Over here, unplug it from the power outlet to cut off electricity to the appliance. After that, wait for about 3 to 5 minutes to let the internal components reset. Then, turn the timer or program selector dial to the 0 or reset position. Next, plug the machine back into the power outlet. After that, press the power or start-stop button again to switch the machine on. Then turn it off once more, select your desired washing program, and turn it back on to start a new cycle. If your model shows an error code or the door won't open, press and hold the on-off button until Res appears on the display. If the reset doesn't work, repeat the process again. And if there's still an issue or no display at all, check for light combinations or consult the user manual for more help. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.